Very soon. Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right.
Oh, you know you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause
you to be too. It's your girl Tay, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. And as you guys read by the title down below, today's video is an updated. My parents bought me a new house that wasn't so new, but we're gonna make a new video. That's where we are. I'm gonna give you guys an update. We're gonna see what they did thus far, because it's been about a week and a half, 2 weeks since the last video. And yeah, let's get right into it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Hey, my daughter, española. ¿Habla español? Sí.
Sí, yo hablo español. We're going on the roof. You gotta come with me.
Ah! Laurita!
I am. It's
Give me this, give me this. Okay. Use one hand. One hand. You recording?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead. One hand. Hold on, she wanna see. She pay you. My daughter? Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
I put one feet up on the roof. Put one feet on the roof. The other feet on the roof. Alright, now wait for it. Alright. Walk side. Walk side. Like sideways. Like this. Sideways.
Wait, let me see how you walk.
Like this. Sideways.
Like duck feet.
Duck feet on the ring.
Duck feet.
See?
What are you doing? Spray painting the...
Yeah.
It's hot up on the roof.
Of course. Duck feet. Look, like this. Look. Just like this. Like this. Just bring the roof. You want me to get you on the roof? Let me show you.
Yeah.
Alright, she's on the roof.
It's hot.
She's on the roof, y'all.
It smells like...
Tar. She's on the roof. This your first time on the roof?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my first time ever on the roof.
Yeah. Alright.
How we gonna get off the roof?
Yeah, that's the part.
That's the hard part? Oh. Okay.
Yeah, so this is the trash. Bird's eye view, huh? It looks different from up top.
Yeah. I'm stuck in one spot. I'd rather not move.
That's fine. That's fine. If you feel uncomfortable, don't move. Alright, let's get down there.
is he getting on the phone with the tree man? I'm not sure. He looked at the trees and then instantly got on the phone, so. Everything looks so good. The wood pieces, the new poles are put up. That's the shingles. I guess they got, I think that's shingles. I guess they got way too many shingles. This is the wood on the outside of the house, looking all new and spectacular. Y'all can see underneath here. And now they're throwing away all their trash and stuff. So the next thing that I wanted to do or look at, if it was in the budget that I had and it made sense, was getting a gazebo. And I'm not sure how big this little area is, so hopefully we can add to it, because the gazebo that I was looking at was a 10 by 12 and that doesn't look like a 10 by 12. So yeah, we gonna see, we gonna figure it all out. We gonna get everything situated and handled. Hello you guys, today is day 2 of footage for this vlog. Not vlog, I'm so sorry. The grass is a little high. We need to cut the grass. See how high it is? All my Crocs. Something could bite me in the grass. But y'all, they put the new door on. I'm gonna give you guys a better view. But that's kind of what it looks like now. Who is this?
Purchase a house?
Would I like to purchase a house?
Want me? You ever met them before?
No, I never.
We installed the temporary door. So this is a temporary door.
Nice door handles, knobs.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola.
Soft close. Yeah. Hold on. Finger.
Yeah. That's nice.
So the air's working, as you can tell. We took up all the floors. We had to demo all this, so just be careful, watch your step. Of course, we're gonna have to change the tub and the tile out in the bathroom, kind of let it air out, reduce some plumbing, check for any leaks, make sure we don't have any leaks. Leaks are not our friend. We start taking this wall off right here. This is the wall to the washroom / pantry. We're gonna have cabinets installed at the top for a pantry and kind of like a washroom area too. I don't know if I'm gonna put a door or opening here. If I put a door here, it can be more like a storage room too. So we might put a door here so it can be a storage and close it up, have all your grocery here, and you don't have to worry about everything in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So the kitchen is a nice size. I definitely like the L shape right here. We might even take this wall. We might take this wall down.
You're able to take it down?
Yeah, I think we could take this wall down and just put an island.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Yes. Just completely take it down. And then just put it like an island right here.
Yeah.
And all that's open.
Where are you gonna put the refrigerator? Still right here?
Yeah, somewhere over here.
Yeah.
Because I might put it here actually, like right here,
Mm-hmm.
and put the door opening right here, so all this can be the refrigerator space. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I just put the door here, open this way. This can be where the refrigerator is right here. Oh, this is a nice size space.
Yeah. It's now, since you can like see it closed in, you can see how big it is.
You can put like your food in here, like storage, extra storage, just make it a usable space.
You can actually see
We have
how.
a new thermostat. Yeah, you can control it with your phone.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
a
that's
smart
nice.
thermostat. Like if you're away from home and you want the air to be cool when you get home, control it with your phone, smartphone thermostat.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's a little upgrade.
Like without all the cabinets in here, you could truly see how.
Yeah,
How
you
big
can kinda
it
lay
is.
out.
Yeah.
So you don't need cabinets all right here. Just kind of like right here.
In the L.
Bumpers and top. Probably take this wall down and just put an island. Maybe I can put it right here.
Mm-hmm.
Turn it this way.
Mhm.
And then just put the bar stools on the island right there.
Yeah.
And then kind of open it up a little bit. New windows. We're gonna replace just this door. Not all the molding. We're just gonna buy a new door.
And paint it and stuff. Paint the molding. Yeah, the molding's still pretty good on there.
So again, we're working on the demo part of it. We're gonna demo the whole bathroom. So it was in a little rough shape. New vanity, new toilet, new tub, demo it out. Everything else is pretty good. Couple of patches we have to fix up. The doors are in great shape. We're just gonna wipe them down and Clorox them. Paint them. Of course, new ceiling fans with light fixtures. We had to change all this wood out. We ran into a little termite damage, so we changed all the wood out here. And in here as well. A little termite damage. Had to replace all of that. Oh, we got some bulbs. Who wants some bulbs? And some roses. Soap petals. I hear you. Yes, okay.
Got pretty far.
This is for me. Yeah, so we're also going to take this wall off right here and just extend it farther into the hallway.
Yeah.
And they give you probably that much space right there. Use this door here. And that's about it. Probably about 2.5 weeks out at the most.
That's exciting.
That's gonna be a nice little accent to the paint. And there go the man. You want to interview him? He's the one doing your house.
Mm-hmm. Jesús,
Hey, how are you?
¿cómo estás?
Yeah, you good?
Muy bien, muy bien. Would you like to be on camera? Yeah. Tell them who you are.
Hey, how are you?
This is the man that works all the magic. Mm-hmm. Me gustó mucho.
You fix the plumbing and get it complete.
Yeah.
Okay, right here.
Yeah.
Just very simple way or?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that one is okay? Or move a little bit?
Move a little bit over.
Move a little bit.
Because I need this space right here to put the refrigerator.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this over here because I put a refrigerator here and 36. The door this way.
This is it. This is good. The potato.
What is that? Like,
It's leaking.
Put it in YouTube.
Yeah.
Take out. You take out the plumbing, take out or me?
You can take out the tile floors and demo the bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Leave it there, the two.
Yeah, he can take out the. Because I don't want it. Maybe he cut this, you know. I want
I
him.
don't know.
Yeah. Daniel's gonna do it.
Yeah, that is take out the all two rocks and that.
Yeah.
Okay.
then you gotta take the wall down.
Yeah, so Jesus, I might I think about taking this wall down too.
Take out.
Yeah.
Or what?
To right here. You just delete the wires there.
Take out everything and leave the wires there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll let Mark.
I think
Yeah.
this is more space or a little bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, take out the look more.
Yeah.
Big.
The bigger.
Yeah, very good.
You like that idea?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, take out everything or leave it little put down or take out flat. You have two by four slip.
That's it.
Yeah, good.
Okay. We can take it out then.
I take out everything and leave it just 2x4 for. Take out that one every time you look ugly right here. You know?
Yeah, just take it out and just leave the wires hanging.
Only put it at the bottom, little rock, put it in the corner of it,
Yeah.
and put it mat.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. And another question. Okay. Right here, leave it this. I leave it this.
Yes. I have to see. Once you take it out, I'll see. Yeah, but
You look good. Look at this. The same this one. Look at the brown.
yeah, all the way to the other side.
Yes.
Okay.
¿Vas a vivir aquí? ¿Vas a vivir aquí?
Sí.
Sí.
Yep.
Ella es la hija de Casey. Sí.
See. You tell him about the closet, or he not?
Oh, yeah, she wanted to do this too. This the only thing. You just close this off. Put a piece of drywall here.
We close this.
Yeah, and this wall here, just take off because this makes the closet big.
Okay, close this wall.
Yeah,
And open this.
this opens this wall.
Yeah, I have a lot of clothes.
I understand. I have sister, I have my daughter, my... Give me the white dresses.
Yeah.
Tu hija tiene mucha ropa.
Mucha ropa. ¿Zapatos?
Sí, muchos zapatos también.
Bolsas. Okay, Casey. Okay.
Is that a leak or is just on? The
It's on.
You don't have an opening now?
Yeah, it's right here. Look, right here.
Okay, I check. For make the opening good.
I meet him every day. Still the same old on the outside. They did something with these cabinets because this one liked this at first. They found a box of candles.
It's it vanilla candle.
To like keep the
Mosquitoes away.
yeah. No. I meet him every day. What? Got the dog gonna get painted. We need some AC up in here. Hold on. Update. That water is down there because he said something. I think somewhere up in here before they had closed it in and they knocked all this down. One of the pipes was on. Not necessarily that it has a leak, but somebody didn't turn it off. So we got somewhere with this.
So what refrigerator supposed to go right here?
Right here. Basically, it's just gonna be a door right here, so it's not gonna be an opening, and the door is not gonna be that big, if that makes sense. So the refrigerator gonna go right here. And the area looks small, but all this gonna be patched back up, I'm guessing.
Like this. This probably gonna be patched up.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the door right here.
Yeah. Interesting enough.
And you can see the tub from the kitchen.
I meet him every day.
Let me tell you. Say them, don't throw this away.
What is that?
You know how I got my cast iron? That's what
So what you gonna do with that?
you put this on top of the stove and you can cook burgers and stuff like that. Like it's a hot plate.
So they're starting to take.
It's like Jimmy Dean.
You say Jimmy Dean?
Yeah.
So guys, this wall is beginning to come down, as y'all can tell from the last clip. So this is gonna open everything up a lot. So if I stand back here in the corner, I gotta be careful because I got all slides and I got glass down there. But we opening all of this up and it's gonna make it a lot bigger. They opened or took the door down, opened this up as well. Okay. Puts it into perspective because I didn't actually know how big it was gonna be or like how much of a difference it was gonna make. So this was a closet at first. And now we got that much more space and it's a walk-in closet. Just all of this that you guys are seeing has been done in a day. Do you hear me? A day. They could have opened up that, but that closet is connected to that closet, so that's not gonna work. And I don't know what this for. They haven't done the tree yet, so I know I had mentioned something about the tree in the last clip or so, or the roof clip, but it's not done yet. So we're gonna see what what they're talking about with that when we come back at the start of next week. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate, once again, all of the love and support. I'll continue to tell you guys that because so much love has been outpoured to me and my channel, along with a lot of my family too. Like, y'all love my family town, and y'all been wishing us a lot of blessings and wishing us a lot of congratulations, and I totally have a heart full of love for all of it, so I'm very grateful. Without anything further to do, you guys, before we end this video, I do want to say that the next video y'all will see will be much different from what y'all have originally seen. I know it kind of feels like we're slow rolling it, but we're gonna be on the road, and y'all gonna see a lot of behind the scenes working, like actually in the moment with the workers, if that makes sense. So yeah, I love you guys. Make sure you continue to tune in, and I'll be back in the next video.